All right, good morning, mathematicians. Here we are in our second video of the day. Go ahead and open your notebooks to your table of contents. We are going to add in lesson 2.3, just like I have right here. Okay. Again, your page numbers may be different than mine. That's okay. Just make sure you're keeping count. Okay, so mine just so happens to be on page 7. All right, so 2.3, comparing scales. Pause the video if you need to, just if you need some time to write it down. All right, with that, let's go ahead and get started. You should have picked up some handouts for lesson 2.3. They should have a label 2.3 above them. Okay, so they're going to look like this. So I want you to go ahead and cut those out. There's our bell. Okay, I want you to go ahead and cut those out, and I would like you to glue them in. So first is your responses to the 7th grade movie and sleep survey. Okay, it should look like this. It has 100 students. Okay, then right below it, I want you to go ahead and paste in your pinwheels here. Okay, so right below it. Yours should look a little different than mine. Actually, mine is sideways compared to yours. So yours is probably going to look, can I rotate this? I don't think so. Okay, but anyway, your wheels are side by side, whereas mine are on top of each other. Okay, and then the last thing you're going to glue, if you have room, go ahead and paste in your table at the bottom. It should look like this. So it should have student number, hours slept, number of movies, and then a second, and then a dividing bar, and then again, student number, hours slept, number of movies. So go ahead, pause the video, cut those out, paste those in. All right, so here we are. We have a very large data set. Okay, this is 100 students. This isn't the entire population, but you know, it is a decently sized sample. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are actually going to use our random sampling plan to help us make some conclusions about 7th graders. Okay, we're also later we're actually just going to start this lesson. We're not going to finish it today because you guys have done a lot today, but we're going to create some line plots of the data later, and we're going to talk about it. Okay, so but the first thing we need to do is we need to randomly select 30 students. See the directions there? It says select a random sample of 30 students from the table. Your sample should include 30 different students, so that means no repeats. No repeats, okay? Then for each student in your sample, you're going to record the number of hours slept and the number of movies watched. Okay, so you guys should have paper clips. Just ask the sub for them. Go ahead, they're on my desk. Please just make sure that I get them back. Okay, now that you have your paper clips, I'm going to show you how to use them. Well, actually, I won't be able to really show you how to use them because I'm recording my screen. But anyway, so you're going to place your pencil on the very center of your circle. So you're going to place your pencil there, and then your paper clip is going to be kind of resting against it. How do I drop a paper clip? Just like that. Okay. Then you're going to flick your paper clip until you get a number. So for example, my paper clip fell on 2, and then over here my paper clip fell on 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write student number 21 in my table, and then I'm going to copy down their data. Sleep last night and number of movies. So 7.8 hours of sleep, and the number of movies is 1. Okay, so you guys are responsible for finding 30 students. Remember, no repeats, please. No repeats, just different students. Okay, so keep using your paper clips, flick them, fill out this entire table, make sure you're recording correctly, make sure you know what column is which number. Okay? All right, then we'll continue this later. All right, I will see you guys in the next lesson.